Hello happy crafters, how is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a marvelous day. Now my friends, I'm here real quick, hopefully really quick, to do a VR as well as a share for the items that I have created for It's a Deal, who is Liana. And she's having a birthday challenge giveaway, you guys, and you still have time to enter. I think it's till the end of August if I'm not mistaken, so you definitely still have time to enter. And so I wanted to share with you guys what I've created for her and what I'm going to be shipping out hopefully by the end of this week. But I wanted to get everything packaged and ready to go, so I wanted to do this video real quick. Now you guys, I'm going to give you guys a quick disclaimer, and some of you guys are triggered by, you know, nail polish and stuff like that, but my nails is a mess. My nails are a mess. And so yeah, I had an accident with the dishwasher. Well, not the dishwasher, I don't have one of those. With the dishes. Okay, so my nails are all chipped, you guys. I have to do my nails, but I haven't had time to do it because I've been busy working. And as you guys know, well, maybe you don't know, but now you do, or now you will, I'm also hosting a giveaway challenge. I already received my first entry. I'm going to be sharing I'm going to be sharing that video with you guys. Maybe by the time that you see this video, it's already been shared, and hopefully you guys will get a chance to take it out. The giveaway is called Let's Make Waves, and I will leave a link for that as well in the description area down below. But let's get on to the reason why we are here, my friends. And the reason why we are here is because Liana is having a birthday challenge giveaway. Yes, it's a deal, and I accepted. And so I'm going to share with you guys what I've created for her. Now, the first thing that I did was I did go ahead and make her a card. Now, again, I'm not the greatest at making cards, you guys, but I do try. And more often than not, I actually forget to place a card or place some kind of notes and or sentiments in my packages because I get so excited and I'm just like ready to ship it, that when it's halfway to where it's gotta go, it's like, dang it, I didn't put a note. And you have that cringe moment. Yeah, I go through that a lot. But for this one, I did wanted to make sure that I did create a birthday card for her, or some kind of a card for her to have. And so all I did was layer up some background papers here, and I do have samples. Maybe do I not? Anywho, I used this paper collection here by Maggie Holmes, the Bloom collection, and I used this paper here as well as the grid paper here. And for some of the packaging I did use this one as well, and yep, that's it. So oh yeah, and this one, I think I used the piece off of the one down there. So this card is basically made of scraps that I had left over, and so I've added some glitter to it to kind of spice it up, a little bit of my pink chunky glitter there, and just kind of scattered it around. Again, you guys will let me know if that looks good or if I overdid it. Here are some of my ephemeras that I purchased from AliExpress a while back. I've been sharing that with you guys if you are familiar with my channel. And all of these little elements are from there, so I just kind of layered them with double-sided tape, if you guys can see. And then I just added this straight flat on the back, and this little banner piece says best day ever. And then on the inside, again using up those scraps, I did a little pockets or tuck spot here, I should say, and I added some little extra pieces for her to use and play with. And one of them is a free hug. A free hug for being you. And again, you guys, she does a lot of awesome crafts. She does hauls from all over the place. She does the cutest projects, you guys, the cutest projects. So if you're into like cutesy projects, then definitely go and check her out. She does the cutest projects, you guys. Super cool, and she's really nice, so go and show her some love. And then here, what I did is I stamped and embossed the sentiment "Thinking of You" from Remy's Small Art stamp set. And then that's it. I'm gonna stick here a sticky note with my message to her, because in case she wants to use this card for something else or she wants to gift it forward, that's perfectly fine. I'm not gonna label it or put my name on it or anything like that. I'm gonna just stick a note here so that she can go ahead and you know, use it as she wishes. But this is my card, you guys. How did I do? Again, I'm not the greatest at making cards, but I do try. The next thing up is going to be this package of embellishments. Now for this one, I did go ahead and use some Prima molds. Which are this one right here, the redesign by Prima. So I used the 3 little birds that came here, and then I did go ahead and use this little bird that came in this one. And my molds are icky, have to clean them. But it was a lot of fun to create. So this is how they came out. And I'm just gonna kind of try to bring them up so that you guys can see. Let me focus a little bit more. And I gave them little gold dots on their eyes. Go ahead and, you know, she's gonna obviously receive it and do the share, so she'll probably take them out of the package, I'm not sure. So hopefully when she does receive them, then she'll share with you guys in closer detail and better detail. I'm still trying to learn how to work my camera. It's very new, and I'm still trying to figure out, you know, exactly what looks right and what doesn't. But I did go ahead and stickle the wings. That's why they're so shimmery. One of the colors that she said it was okay to use was golds as well as pastels. So I did try to get close to the pastel with the pink, but I didn't quite hit it. It looks more like a fuchsia. Hopefully she'll still can use it. But hopefully I did nail it with the mint green. And you guys know I love green. Green is my favorite color, so I had to incorporate something green in there, or it just wouldn't be me. So we've got that, and she's got 2 different sets here. They're labeled set 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, and I call these sparkle birds. The next thing up is my stars and bows. Yep, just like it sounds, stars and bows. Let me just fix the packaging here. And these are what I created for her. And I did use, I'm going to show you guys now, this silicone mold that is actually an ice tray. It costs $1. It's called the Tropical Ice Tray. And I got this at Dollar General. And you see these and you work with resin or even clay, my friends, pick them up. Pick them up, because I'm going to show you guys what I did with this on the next share. Hopefully I'm not giving you guys no sneak peeks. You're getting a sneak peek. Alright, so I'm getting, like I said, I am going to be getting back into resin for this month of August. You guys are going to see different projects, because I'm also going to be working on some things for my giveaway, you guys. That I am hosting right now. So if you guys are interested in that, the link is going to be down below. I don't know if I mentioned that already or not, but you know, shameless plug here and there. You guys know how that works. So we have some bows here, and basically I did go ahead and add some stickles to them just to kind of make them glittery. Now these are really easy to change the color, so if you don't like the blue, or you would like to embellish it, or whatever the case may be, and you need to just adjust it, you can always color them over with like watered down acrylic paints, or you can use alcohol markers and paint over them. That's usually how I tend to color over my resins once they're already set. I usually just kind of go over them with alcohol markers and I color them the way that I want. Then I just let them dry. And so this here are from the star, this star mold here, this ice tray mold, and this is from a regular. This is from a this one wants to make an appearance so bad. This one's from a regular, like one of those bowl molds. And so this is clear resin that I casted overnight. Okay, not the bowls, just the stars. I wanted her to have something that was a little bit more translucent, more clear. And so it's full of chunky glitter all in the inside. I mixed it with the glitter and then let it set. And then what I did is that I kind of went over it with some UV resin, and then I incorporated blue chunky glitter to the top of that. And then here in this one in the center, I added some golds, like little flakes. And so it kind of, you know, it shines like that. And again, she'll probably give you guys a better view and close-up of what these look like on her channel. So make sure that you are subscribed. And again, if you have time, I do encourage you guys to go and participate and show her some YouTube love. Now for the last package, you guys, last but not least, I made what I like to call starburst wands and lemonade starbursts. Okay, so this is what I made. Now again, this is casted in white resin. I went over it with UV resin after everything was said and done. And all the pink that you guys see is Nouveau Drop that I just kind of went around, you know, try to add a little bit of color and division, you know, separation here and there. If you guys can see, this mold has an indentation in the middle of the star. So I did fill that in with like glitter and resin and kind of set that up like that, and then I added a little diamond on each corner, added one in the center and one on each of the little spaces in between the pointing of the star. That's a mouthful. And again, I think it came out super cute, but if you need to change anything or add something to it, then you can feel free to adjust, incorporate, alter however you wish. And then these are my little starburst here. Again, they're different sizes because as you guys can see, this mold is super thick and there's no way to gauge how much you're actually putting in there for the most part. But I think that it's kind of cool because they are different levels and you get to create a piece that's very dimensional, right? It's got that that different level of height. And depending on how you dress them up and stuff like that, you can go ahead and with maybe some gold markers or something of that nature, you can go ahead and paint over this. Just make sure that whatever you use to color up these are not like water soluble, because then it's going to fade out. So any kind of alcohol marker or permanent marker will do. India ink, anything of that nature should work well. So this is how these look, and I think that they came out super cute. This is my very first set of these wands. Let me know what you guys think about my share, and I want to say thank you so much to Liana for the opportunity, and I also want to wish her a happy birthday, because her birthday is going to be coming up in a couple of weeks. This is a birthday giveaway challenge. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much. I don't want to get my nails in the ugly little shot there with my nails. That's gonna make it ugly. But you guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you guys enjoyed what I shared with you all today. Please stay tuned for the remainder of the month, the remainder of time per se, because I'm going to have a whole bunch of resin projects coming up. Not to mention, I am going to be sharing and revealing my entries for my own personal giveaway, Let's Make Waves, as they arrive, and I already have one video to share with you guys. Plus, really quickly, not to take anything away from this, but I figured I'm here, I just got the package, I might as well share with you guys. I just received some molds, and these molds are going to be used in one of the prizes. I'm going to be making some personal, some sea-themed dangle keychains, charms. I'm not sure quite what to call it. You guys will let me know, because I'm going to be adding all of these different little elements. Super cool and fun, and it's going to come out super amazing. Plus I'm going to be making the mermaid banner and a whole bunch of other stuff, you guys, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But in the meanwhile, because you still have some time for my giveaway, make sure that you go ahead and you check out Liana, who's It's a Deal. That's her channel name, It's a Deal. I will link it in the video. I will show her name in the comment section as well as the description area, so you have more than one place that you can go ahead and click that link. Make sure that you go ahead and you follow. If you're new to her channel, please let her know, hey, Carmen sent me, happy day crafts. Well, you guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I will catch you guys on the next one. Let me know what you guys thought of these resin projects. Are any of these something that you guys would like to see me recreate? Let me know in the comment section down below. I greatly appreciate you guys taking the time to comment on my videos. Thank you. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.